All right, I'm going to ask you to think about the word that comes to your mind as I hit the tones in one more cycle. That will be your focus word to add to the effort for the week ahead. You should have a page in your journal with that word on top of it with the date, and that's going to be one of the things that you got to incorporate somehow into your into the pathways that you have ahead. You know, I don't care whether you're going to get in a covered wagon for parts unknown or decide that what we're going to do is dig a 7 kilometer irrigation ditch 5 feet wide and 5 feet deep. That's a lot of cubic yards of earth to move. So you got to start digging, but you also better have a plan. So don't confuse activity with results.